your screen has a dead pixel like this, let me tell you the solution. Go to jscreenfix.com and click Launch. Take the Pixel Fixer box, drag it over the stuck pixel, and wait for about 10 minutes. It might fix the dead pixel. By the way, if you want to check whether your screen has a dead pixel, Google Dead Pixel Checker. Open this first link. Click Start Test. Then click to scroll through the colors and carefully check if your monitor has a dead pixel. And fix it with JScreenFix. Follow me for no BS, just straight skills and knowledge.